In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change primary host on Airbnb 2026. Step by step, changing the primary host moves the main responsibility for a listing to someone else. Their profile appears on the listing, they become the primary contact for guests, and they'll manage day-to-day hosting from that point forward. Before you switch the primary host, Airbnb requires that person to be added as a co-host on the specific listing, so we'll start there. First, log into Airbnb and switch to the hosting view. Open listings, then choose the property you want to update. In that listings menu, go to co-hosts or team. Select invite co-host, type the co-host's email address, and send the invitation. That's it for this part. The invitation has to be accepted before you can hand over the primary role, so ask them to check their email and Airbnb notifications. If they don't see it, have them check spam or wait a few minutes for it to arrive. Until they accept, the Make Primary Host option won't appear. Once the invite is accepted, return to Listings and select the same property. Head back into Co-host or Team and find the person you want to promote. Click their name to open their details, then choose Make Primary Host. Review the on-screen summary so you understand what's changing and confirm to finalize. After you confirm, the listing will show the new primary host as the main host while the previous host remains on the team. Existing reservations stay attached to the listing, and guests will continue to see the message thread without interruption. Keep in mind that payouts, taxes, and legal responsibility are tied to the primary host and the payout method on the listing. So make sure the new primary host has an active payout method and any required taxpayer details set up in their account. If you manage multiple properties, repeat the same process for each listing you want to transfer. If the Make Primary Host option isn't visible, double check that you're viewing the correct property, verify the co-host actually accepted the invite on that listing, refresh the page, and try again on the web if you were using the app. In rare cases, certain account or regional settings can limit this feature, and Airbnb support can confirm eligibility. That's the complete process. Invite the co-host, have them accept, then promote them and confirm. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your handoff.